सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः and welcome to our 180th class अशीत्युत्तर एकशततम कक्षा। अद्य आगस्ट प्रथम दिवसे चतुर्दशोत्तरविंशति सहस्र अब्दौ, very difficult to say in Sanskrit, 2014. So on 1st of August 2014 we are having 180th class, 180th class, and we are doing, as you know, the 6th vibhakti, Shashti vibhakti, genitive case, possessive case is thoroughly studied here in the book, Teach Yourself book, and Abhyasa 91. Now before that I want you to go to the board and see what I could not write in the previous class. Of these exercise 90, please go through the 90 exercise. Let them see. Abhyasa 90, where the splitting was done to make the object, convert the objective word karma padam into Shashti vibhakti, and from the verb we have derived the verbal noun. Paripalayati parishilayati becomes parishilanam. Pashyati becomes darshanam karoti. Smaranti becomes smaranam kurvanti, etc. These are the words. How we split up the objective, the object of the sentence. Anukaranam or dhyanam, guroho. So guruhu, balakaha gurum anukaroti is the sentence which we have done. The first dashes are the words to be retained here. We have not written the dash signifies the same word to be retained there. Balakaha guroho anukaranam karoti. So in the second bhakta, etc., I need not read now. We have read and explained the meanings. Just go through them. Ishvarasya dhyanam kurvanti, pathasya smaranam kurvanti, मूर्तेः दर्शनं कुर्वन्ति, चोराणां ताडनं कुर्वन्ति, पुत्रस्य लालनं करोति, तीर्थस्थानानां दर्शनं कुर्वन्ति, दुग्धस्य पानं करोति, शिशूनां हननं करोति, वस्त्राणां क्षालनं कुर्वन्ति, गृहस्य there is a mistake, Srinivas. गृहस्य मार्जनं माता गृहं मार्ष्टि become गृहस्य मार्जनम करोति. मूर्तेः, black and blue joined here now. Doesn't matter. Then vanasya gamanam karoti, vanam gacchati becomes Vedanam darshanam akurvan, agnayaha palanam akarot, nagarasya paribhramanam kurvanti, videshasya gamanam akarot. So we have split up actually the second objective word, we have split up and put it in the Shashti vibhakti, splitting the verbal forms and also converting the accusative case ending here, the objective case ending into genitive case or possessive case. We go over to the another exercise in us today. Is the time sufficient for them to see? Positive. Okay. So in the 91 abhyasa, manjusha sthitanam shastyanta rupena a manjusha. There are two boxes here, columns. A manjusha sthitanam dvitiyanta rupena cha riktasthanani purayata. Now we have to fill in. One is shown here. In this exercise we have 15 sentences only. Srinivas. For example, one is already done for us. Pathaha chhatraha pathasya smaranam karoti. So in the way it is the same extension of the 90 abhyasa. So you can read second one, Srinivas.
Balakaha vanaraha dash karoti anukaranam karoti. Balakasya.
Vanaraha balakasya anukaranam karoti. You derive the category, I mean the listed words in Shashti Vibhakti. So vanaraha balakasya anukaranam karoti. Next, that meaning is simple. Chhatraha patasya smaranam karoti means the student is remembering the lesson. Student is remembering the lesson. Balakaha vanarasya Vanaraha balakasya anukaranam karoti means the monkey is imitating the boy. Monkey is imitating the boy. Second meaning. Third.
Mahila
Vastrasya
kshalanam karoti.
Mahila vastrasya kshalanam karoti. A woman is washing, is doing the washing of a cloth. A woman is doing the washing of a cloth. Vastrasya kshalanam karoti. Vastram kshalayati. Direct sentence would have been Mahila vastram kshalayati. Instead of saying that, Mahila vastrasya kshalanam karoti. Third, fourth.
Sarvaha is plural?
No, not plural. It is singular. Ekavachana.
Pita sarvasya parichayah karayati.
Parichayam karayati. Now here Parichaya Shabda is Pullinga Shabda. You put it in Dvitiya. So basically they are derived. No, the other words which are given in the A box are neuter nouns. Srinivas. Since they are neuter, Prathama Dvitiya will be same. Pustakam Pustakam, Phalam Phalam, Anukaranam Anukaranam, Kshalanam Kshalanam, Gamanam Gamanam, Marjanam Marjanam, Sechanam Sechanam. But whereas when you come to the fourth sentence here, Parichayaha is Pullinga Shabda. So you put it in accusative Dvitiya Vibhakti. Parichayaha Prathama Ekavachana. Parichayam Dvitiya Ekavachana. Parichayena Trutiya. Like that it goes. So you put it Pita Sarvasya Parichayam Karayati. Father is making the introduction of everyone. Father is introducing everyone. Direct meaning. Pita Sarvam Parichayati. He is introducing everyone. Instead of directly saying that, Pita Sarvasya Parichayam Karoti. Father is doing the introduction of everyone. Sarvasya. Okay, next. Fifth.
Sita vanasya gamanam karoti.
Sita vanasya gamanam karoti. Roundabout way of saying Sita vanam gacchati. Very simple. Sita vanam gacchati is split up here. Sita vanasya gamanam karoti. Sita is going to the forest, right? Sixth.
Vruddhaha dantanam marjanam karoti.
Vruddhaha dantanam marjanam karoti. An old man is cleansing his, brushing his teeth. Old man is brushing, doing the brushing of his teeth. So if you literally translate this, Srinivas, an old man is doing the brushing of the teeth. In other words, brushing his teeth. 7.
Bhrutyaha udyanasya
sechanam karoti. Bhrutyaha, servant, udyanasya sechanam karoti. The servant is watering the garden. Sechanam. The servant is udyanasya sechanam, jalasechanam karoti. He is watering the garden. So sechanam karoti is okay. Now there is a mistake here, Srinivas. 8th one. Already given.
Pathikaha jalasya panam karoti.
Where is given?
Pathika jalasya is already given.
That is given, should not be given. By mistake it has come. Jalam should be there. Now let us suppose Jalam is there, answer is given here. 8th one should be Jalam. So Pathikaha jalasya panam karoti. A traveler is drinking the water. Pathikaha, traveler. Pathikaha jalasya panam karoti means Pathikaha jalam pibati. Srinivas, Pathikaha, a traveler is drinking water. Pathikaha jalam pibati is equal to saying Pathikaha jalasya panam karoti. If you literally translate this, The traveler is making the drink of the water. What is that nonsense? Sometimes in English we can't. So, patikaha jalam pibati, that is the meaning. 9.
Kanya varaha kanyayaha varanam karoti.
Varaha kanyam varayati is simple, direct. But here varaha kanyayaha varanam karoti. This is ulta given, Srinivas. Actually, Kanya does the vara selection of the groom. That is why Swayamvara is we call. In Swayamvara, what happens? All the girls will be, all the girl will be there, all the boys will be invited. And all the boys' biodata will be read out by one person. And whomever the girl likes, she will select. Not the boy selecting the girl selecting the boy. This is ulta given here, opposite. Varaha kanyayaha varanam karoti. Groom is selecting the bride. Is doing the selection of the bride. A groom, varaha, a groom, bridegroom. Kanyayaha chayanam karoti is doing the selection of a bride. 10.
Rasasya anubhavam karoti.
Now anubhavaha should be put as anubhavam. Rasikaha rasasya anubhavam karoti. Rasika, who is a Rasika? Kanajya. We say Kanajya is a word, French word. Kanajya is experiencing the taste of the rasasya, is experiencing the taste or experiencing the joy of the taste, whatever you say, right? 11.
Pathikaha margasya
Anveshanam karoti. Again, Pathika Shabda is used here. Pathika, the traveler, Margasya Anveshanam karoti, is searching the way, is doing the search of the path, search of the way. He is searching for the path. Pathika Margasya Anveshanam karoti. Anveshana, search. 12.
Dhivaraha
Matsyasya
grahanam
karoti. Dhivaraha, a fisherman, Matsyasya grahanam karoti, is catching the fish. Fisherman is catching the fish. Matsyasya grahanam is catching, right? 13.
Sadhu gitayaha pathanam karoti.
A sadhu purusha, you can say virtuous person, Gitayaha, Gita Shabda is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, Gitayaha Pathanam Karoti, is doing the reading of Gita. A sage is doing the study of Gita. 14.
Bhaktaha harehe bhajanam karoti.
Bhaktaha, Hari Shabda is Ikaranta, so in Shashti it will be Harehe. We have done it correctly. Bhaktaha harehe bhajanam karoti. A devotee is doing the bhajana of Hari. He is worshipping the Hari or doing the praise of Hari, bhajana, the praise of Hari. 15.
Balakaha
Bhaginyaha
upahasam na
karoti. Balakaha, a boy, Bhaginyaha, sisters, upahasam na karoti, does not make fun of sister. The boy does not make fun of his sister. Balakaha bhaginyaha upahasam na karoti. Okay? So this way we are learning. Now this have to be written and to proceed further. You just take to the board cameras, Srinivas. Let them have 1 second, just one more. Previous, now after 91 is also 15 sentences. black. Next, yes. First one need not be written.
No, sir.
Two.
वानरः बालकस्य
Dash.
dash बालकस्य अनुकरणम् is also given, sir. Dash dash.
Anukaranam. How it is given?
It is given, sir. It is in Napumsakalinga.
Yeah, Anukaranam, but we have tried Srinivas. Same has to be written. Anukaranam karoti. Okay, same thing you repeat. Right. You are right. Next.
Dash Mahila. Sorry, dash Vastrasya.
Kshalanam.
Kshalanam is also Vastrasya.
It is not given, it is carried. Same thing. So you repeat. Please take the same Anukaranam Vastram here and Karoti also same. Vastrasya for
Fourth one. Dash Sarvasya.
Sarvasya.
Here we have to write Parichayam.
Because of the Pullinga. Parichayam. Parichayam karoti. Yes. 5.
Is Karyati.
Karayati. Oh. Right, Karayati.
I think we have to do it.
We need not write then. It is there. Parichayam Karayati. Next.
Sita. Dash Vanasya. Sita Vanasya. Gamanam Karoti. He is already given.
Gavanam karoti. Right. 6.
Dash Buddha. Dantasya.
Dantanam.
Dantanam. Only Dantanam.
Marjanam.
Karoti. Bhrutyah Udyanasya.
Udyanasya. Sechanam. Udyanasya. Sechanam is given, na?
Sechanam.
Karoti. Right. 8.
Pathikah dash Jalasya. He is already given. Jalasya. Answer is given. Jalasya.
9.
Dash Kanyayaha. Dash Varnam. 10. Dash Rasikah. Rasasya.
Rasasya.
Here Anubhavam.
We have to write. Next.
Dash Margasya. Anvesham is already given. Anvesham.
12.
Matsyasya.
Grahanam karoti.
Gitayaha. Patanam already given.
Patanam karoti.
Hare. Bhajanam is given.
Bhajanam.
Bhaginya. This is Ikaranta.
Bhagini. Ikaranta still. Like Nadi. Bhaginyaha.
Upahasam also to be. Upahasam.
Karoti.
Nakaro.
Na karoti, whatever it is, stand same. बालकस्य वस्त्रस्य सर्वस्य परिचयं वनस्य दन्तानाम् उद्यानस्य जलस्य कन्यायाः रसस्य अनुभवं करोति मार्गस्य मत्स्यस्य गीतायाः हरेः भगिन्याः उपहासं न करोति. So as I have told you in the previous class, this is only to speed up the learning of the vibhaktis and get a grip over them. Getting grip over Shashti Vibhakti. Good exercise. Splitting is done, and there are two ways of expressing. You are learning the two types of sentences in Sanskrit. Now we have the same Srinivas. Next page, 220. Vibhajya Prayoga, again splitting and doing the same exercise in different tenses now. The tenses are changing here. You can see here Loti, Lruti, Langi, Lingi, Cha. What is this termination? You know, Loti. Loti means not this is the termination of. Maybe Indians may be reminded of something, but Panini gives this termination. Lat Vartamane, Lang Bhute, Vidhyasishoho, Ling Lotau, etc. So Lat Vartamana is there. Loti means imperative mode. Lruti, future tense, Bhavishyat. Langi means in Bhutakala, Bhutartha. Ling, Vidiling, potential mood. So these are there. I repeat, Loti means in the imperative mode. This word is in Saptami Srinivas. We are doing Shashti now. We are doing the study of Shashti Vibhakti. Loti, the word itself is Saptami Ekavachana. Loti means in the imperative mood. We are going to do the Vibhajya Prayoga in the imperative. Lruti means in the future tense. Langi also Saptami Ekavachana in the past tense. Lingi also in the past tense. Saptami Ekavachana. See the way of derivation of these letters. Loti, Lruti, Langi, Lingi. All are in Saptami Ekavachanas. Meaning in Saptami, that is why I just remarked, Saptami is following just in our book. So, sentences in these four tenses, imperative, future, past tense and the potential mood. Let us see. You can read, Srinivas.
So, first one.
Loti. Loti means in the imperative mood.
Tvam Vishayam Nivedaya. Tvam Vishayasya Nivedanam
Kuru. So here what is happening, let us analyze this sentence. Tvam Vishayam Nivedaya. This is, Nivedaya is imperative mode, Srinivas. And Tvam Nivedaya, you inform Vishayam about the subject. Tvam, you, Vishayam about the subject, Nivedaya, inform. So the same thing is split up here, where it is Vishayam Dvitiya is becoming Shashti. You can see. Nivedaya verb is also transferred into a noun and another verb. So Tvam standing same. Tvam Vishayasya Nivedanam Kuru. You do appeal of the subject. Inform, or you do inform about of the subject. So same thing, meaning is same. Tvam Vishayam Nivedaya, you inform the subject also in the second sentence, but Vishayam becomes Vishayasya, Nivedaya becomes Nivedanam Kuru. Understand? Something like Tvam Slokam Patha. How do you change, Srinivas? You can change that. Tvam Slokam Patha. Tvam Patanam Kuru. That is same thing. Tvam Slokam Patha. If I say, you read the sloka, Tvam Slokasya Patanam Kuru. It is the same thing. You do the reading of the poem. Same way, this is Tvam Vishayam Nivedaya. Second.
Bhavantaha Slokan
Sangruhnantu. So let us first take the meaning part and go with the second. Bhavantaha, you all, Slokan, the poems, stanzas, Sangruhnantu, collect. You all collect the poems. That is the meaning here. You all collect the poems. Bhavantaha, Slokan, which is Dvitiya Bahuvachana, goes to Shashti Bahuvachana. Slokanam Sangrahnantu is a verb from which you get a verbal noun. Sangrahanam Kuruvantu. Sangrahanam means collection. You all do the collection of the poems. You all collect the poems. And another way of saying is, you all do the collection of the poems. Bhavantaha slokanam sangrahanam kurvantu amounts to mean the same thing as Bhavantaha slokan sangrahnantu. Understand?
Yes.
Right. Third.
Arakshakaha choran anudhavantu.
Here, yeah.
Arakshakaha choranam anudhavanam
Kurvantu. Now what is this Arakshakaha, the police, cops, Choran Anudhavantu. Let the cops chase the thieves. Let the cops chase the thieves. Arakshakaha, Rakshakabhataha, Choran, which is Dvitiya. Choran is Dvitiya, na? Dvitiya, which vachana? Bahuvachana. Choran, just like slokan, Choran Anudhavantu. Dhavantu, Anudhavantu means chase, follow. So let the cops follow the thieves or chase the thieves. Same thing. Arakshakaha choranam anudhavanam kurvantu. Arakshakaha choranam anudhavanam kurvantu. Let the cops do the chase of the thieves. Second sentence also can be translated into English like, let the cops do the chase of the thieves. Anudhavanam choranam kurvantu. So this is how we have seen here three sentences which are in loti, imperative mode. Nivedaya, sangrukhnantu, anudhavantu are changed to nivedanam kuru, sangrahanam kurvantu, anudhavanam kurvantu. And the objects have been put into Shashti. For example, Vishayam has gone to Vishayasya, Slokan has gone to Slokanam, Choran has gone to Choranam. Shashti Bahuvachana. Next is Ruti. Ruti means in the future tense. In the future tense.
Sachivaha samasyam pariharishyati. Sachivaha samasyayaha pariharam karishyati.
Same thing. Sachivaha, the minister, samasyam, problem, pariharishyati will solve. The minister will solve the problem. Now, same thing. Sachivaha, samasyam, which is trutiya, will go to shashti, samasyayaha, and pariharishyati verb will be taking two forms here. Pariharam karishyati. The minister will find a solution of the problem. Samasyayaha. Now, this sentence is in future tense, na? Where pariharishyanti, future tense. Karishyati is also future tense. So, Sachivaha pariharishyati, Sachivaha samasyam pariharishyati, Sachivaha samasyayaha pariharam karishyati. Next.
Sarve shvaha pratah panchavadane
Utthasyanti.
Sarve shvaha pratah panchavadane utthanam karishyanti.
So this one verb pariharishyati is changed to pariharam karishyati. Like that, utthasyanti is split up into utthanam karishyanti. Verb is split into two and the object is coming to shashti. Now, but what is shashti here? Not there. No, that is not shashti, na? There is no subject, object here, Srinivas. Here Dvitiya Vibhakti is not used anywhere here in this sentence. Only future tense. Sarve sarve shvaha shvaha prataha prataha avyaya is not changed. Panchavadane panchavadane. Only verb is split up here. What is the prayoga here? Only verb is changed here. Utthasyanti is becoming utthanam karishyanti. So in the absence of objective case here, accusative case, this is a sentence wherein there is no object mentioned, Srinivas. Okay, therefore, Utthasyanti becomes Utthanam Karishyanti. They will get up. Meaning is clear? I have not told. Sarve, all, Shvaha tomorrow, Pratah morning, Panchavadane at 5 o'clock, Utthasyanti will get up. All will get up tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. And same thing, all will do the getting up of in the morning at 5 o'clock, something like that. The second meaning. Third sentence has to be read.
Putraha आगामी काले धनम अर्जयिष्यति पुत्रः आगामी काले धनस्य अर्जनं करिष्यति.
Arjanam karishyati is split up of the arjayishyati. Dhanam is their object that has become dhanasya shashti, right? So putraha standing stem, putraha agami kale, the son agami kale in the coming future, in the coming time, in the future time, dhanam money arjayishyati. Somebody is saying here, son will earn money in the days to come, right? In the future. Son will earn money in the days to come, agami kale, in the time to come. So putraha agami kale, dhanam become dhanasya, arjanam karishyati, will make money. So son will make money, will do the earning of money in the times to come, in the days to come. Son will do the earning of money in the time to come, in the times to come. So in this way, in these three sentences, we have seen where the riti, the bhavishyat kala is presented, and in two sentences we have the object also, but in one sentence, second sentence, there is no object. In the absence of the object also, the utthasyanti verb is split up into utthanam karishyanti. We may go conveniently to langi, past tense, in the past tense now.
Luntakaha janan
Anvasaran.
Luntakaha jananam
Anusaranam akuruvan. Now luntakaha means looters. Looters. Janan, people. Anvasaran, followed. The looters, the robbers, followed the people. That is a simple meaning here. The robbers followed the people. Anvasaran. What is Anvasaran, Srinivas? Is the past tense of Anusaranti. We have that Anusaranti, na? Anusarati, Anusarataha, Anusaranti. This is the past tense of that. Anvasarat, Anvasaratam, Anvasaran. Okay? Luntakaha Anvasaran means the thugs, the looters or the thugs chased or followed. Whom did they follow? Janan. Okay? The people. Now the same thing is split up here. Luntakaha Jananam Anusaranam Akuruvan Anusaranam. So Janan, which is Dvitiya Bahuvachana, has gone to Shashti Bahuvachana as Jananam. Anvasaran, which is verb, is split up as Anusaranam Akuruvan. So the Luntakaha, there is a printing error also here, Srinivas. Lunta, in the first Luntaka, Tha is not properly printed. First Ta is here, Luntakaha. In the second example, Luntakaha is fully written out. Tha is printed. That the students are advised to take care. Second sentence.
Adhyapakaha samasyam
Pariharan.
Adhyapakaha samasyayaha pariharam akurvan.
Now these two sentences are given in the past tense, as we are seeing the example in lang prayoga, langi. Luntakaha janan anvasaran, adhyapakaha samasyam pariharan. Now look at here, Srinivas. Adhyapakaha teachers, samasyam problem, pariharan solved. Okay? Teachers solved the problem. How do you get this pariharan? From pariharanti. Pariharanti, present tense lat prayoga would be pariharanti. In the past tense langi, pari plus aharan, pariharan means. So same way it is split up here. Adhyapakaha samasyayaha pariharam akurvan. So akurvan is coming two times here because of the past tense there. Now I may need to show them little later how Anvasaran is coming. Srinivas. Next. Now, what is not mentioned on the top is included here. Tavatau, which is not there in the heading here. Loti, Lati, Langi, Lingicha. But here this is crept into. Doesn't matter. We have also studied Tavatu.
Yes,
Means past active participle. Like Gatavan, Shrutavan, Muktavan, Khaditavan, Bhuktavan, etc. Likhitavan, etc. That is Tavatu Pratyanta. So you can read.
Karmakaryaha patrani
Prakshalitavatiyaha.
Karmakaryaha patranam prakshalanam krutavatyaha.
Now from simple past tense we are moving to participle verb here, Srinivas. Karmakaryaha. Now this is the, what is this Shabda? Karmakari. Karmakaraha is a male person, worker. Karmakari is a female worker. So you go with Nadi Shabda like Karmakari, Karmakaryau, Karmakaryaha. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Model is Nadi. Karmakaryaha, female workers. Patrani, vessels. Prakshalitavatiyaha, have washed. Female servants, workers or servants, washed off the utensils. That is the meaning. Karmakaryaha, maids, you can say maids. Prakshalitavatiyaha. How do we get Prakshalitavatiyaha? Prakshalitavati, Prakshalitavatyau, Prakshalitavatiyaha. This is also like Nadi Shabda, Srinivas. See, the noun and the verb are matching in the ending. Karmakaryaha, Prakshalitavatiyaha. Is it not matching? Because both are derived like Nadi Shabda only. Prakshalitavati, Prakshalitavatyau, Prakshalitavatiyaha. Karmakaryaha, Patrani, Prakshalitavatiyaha. These maids washed off the utensils. Now the same thing, Karmakaryaha, Patrani, which is Dvitiya Bahuvachana, goes to Shashti Bahuvachana as Patranam, and Prakshalitavatiyaha is split up into Prakshalanam Krutavatyaha. Prakshalanam Krutavatyaha. Karmakaryaha Krutavatyaha. Kim Krutavatyaha? Prakshalanam Krutavatyaha. Kesham Prakshalanam Krutavatyaha. Patranam Prakshalanam Krutavatyaha. So maids have done the cleansing of the utensils. You can also translate that second sentence. Maid servants did the cleansing of the utensils. Or in other words, maid servants cleansed the utensils. Next two.
Chatraha
Karyakramam Nirvudhavantaha.
Chatraha karyakramasya nirvahanam krutavantaha.
Nirvyudavantaha. Chatraha, students. Karyakramam, program. Nirvudavanta means carried out. Students carried out, performed carried out a program. Chatraha karyakramasya. Karyakramam going to Shashti as karyakramasya. Nirvudhavantaha is becoming Nirvahanam Krutavantaha. Students did manage or did carry out the program. That is it. Did the, what do you say, if you translate the second, Chatraha, the students, Nirvahanam Krutavantaha, they did the job of performing the Karya. Karyasya Nirvahanam Krutavantaha. Now you can see here the difference between these two, Srinivas. Krutavatyaha is Strilinga. Krutavati, Krutavatyau, Krutavatyaha, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, which is going with Karmakaryaha, Strilinga, noun. Krutavantaha is Pullinga, masculine, matching with Chatraha. Chatraha Krutavan, Chatrau Krutavantau, Chatraha Krutavantaha. Fine. Karmakari Krutavati, Karmakari Karyau Krutavatyau, Krutavatyau, Karmakaryaha Krutavatyaha. This is how it comes. And the last lingi, vidiling, two sentences in the potential mood. Lingi means potential mood. Right.
सर्वे अनुशासनं पालयेयुः
येयुः
सर्वे अनुशासनस्य पालनं
कुर्युः. Now meaning is simple, I suppose. Sarve anushasanam palayeyuhu. This is vidhiling, ling means order. Vidhiling is used in the sense of command, in the sense of giving command. So all must, you say here it is not lot where you request. Loti is different. Let may people, etc. Like in the poem Srinivas, if you remember, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Bhavantu is lot prayoga, where you pray, wish. But when it is vidhiling, ling, it is order. Sarve Anushasanam Palayu means all must follow discipline. All sarve Palayeyu must follow what? Anushasanam, discipline, rule. All must follow the rule. Anushasana is rule or discipline, right? All must follow, there is no go. Sarve Anushasanasya, Anushasanam going to Shashti, Palanam Kuryuhu. Kuryuhu is also the plural of vidhiling of the dhatu, Kuri dhatu Srinivas. Kuryat, Kuryatam, Kuryuhu. Kuryat, Kuryatam, Kuryuhu. Palanam Kuryuhu. Sarve Kuryuhu. Anushasanasya Palanam Kuryuhu. All must obey the, do the obeying of the law. All must do the obeying of the law. That is the meaning in the second half. Second. Shikshakaah.
शिक्षकाः टिप्पणी पुस्तकानि परिशीलयेयुः शिक्षकाः टिप्पणी पुस्तकानां परिशीलनं कुर्युः.
Same Kuryuhu is coming here. Shikshakaah, the teachers. Tippani means note. You know the word we came across. Tippani pustakani means notebooks, Srinivas. Tippani pustakam means notebook. Pustakam means book. Tippani pustakam means a notebook. So what should the teachers do? Teachers should or must parishilayeyu, examine the notebooks of the students. Understood? Understood here is of the students. The teachers must examine the notebooks here. That is the meaning of the first side. Teachers must examine, look at or examine the notebooks. Same thing. Shikshakaah tippani pustakanam parishilanam kuryuhu. The teachers must do the examination of the notebooks. It means the same thing. Na? Teachers must do the examination of the notebooks. Pustakanam, of the notebooks. Parishilanam kuryuhu, must do the examination. Shikshaka, the teachers must do the examination. So this is an exhaustive way of doing, splitting up of the verbs into noun and verb and dvitiya into shashti we have done. I just want to show to the our audience how these verbs are derived. Let them not get baffled. What is the verb, Srinivas? Two verbs have to be explained. Anvasaran. Now this is the past tense of anusaranti. This is lat. This is lung. Lung means past tense. This is present tense. Srinivas, are you? Anusaranti, now this is made like this. If you analyze this, anu is a prefix. Then the past tense marker is added. Then saran in the past tense. Saran is added. This is present tense now. From present tense you take anu. This is past tense making augment. Is used invariably in a. So now you join here. Anu plus sandhi takes place. Anu plus a is equal to, next step, yanadesha sandhi comes in, anva, then you take saran. This is next step. Anu plus a is equal to anva, saran is there. So anva saran means followed. Followed. There is one more verb, na? Pariyaharan. That is also to be explained like this. Pariyaharan. Now, pariharanti. This is present tense. Lat. In lang prayoga, in the past tense, it becomes pariyaharan. Now, here also the same way, pari should be separated. The augment, past tense augment is a, then haran. So here you get sandhi between these. So you get pariyaharan. And this kuryuhu is a potential mode of the dhatu kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu. Third person, it becomes kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu in the potential mode. Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu. Okay, Srinivas, now there is something to read for us. You can read down there. Vivaranam. I have to read, not your job. Vibhajya prayoge, in the usage of splitting, karmanaha shashti vibhakti bhavati. We have seen amply that karmanaha means from the object accusative word, from the word of accusative case or objective case, dvitiya vibhakti. In the of the word of dvitiya vibhakti, shashti vibhakti bhavati. Shashti is there. For example, slokan is becoming in the sentences slokanam. Vishayam becomes vishayasya. Samasyam becomes samasyayaha. And janan becomes jananam. So amply demonstrated. So, and then yatha dwaram becomes udghadayati becomes dwarasya udghatanam karoti. Atra dwaram iti karmanaha. Here dwaram is karma. Karma means object. Vibhajya prayoge, in the splitting usage, sati dwarasya iti prayogaha. Dwaram has become dwarasya shashti. Yatha latlakare vibhajya prayoga niyamaha. Just like in the present tense, we follow the rule of the splitting. Tathaiva lot lakare. In the similar manner, you have to follow in the lot lakara. Lot lakara means in the imperative mode. As you follow in the present tense the rule of splitting, that is applicable to imperative mode also. Lut lakara. Lut lakara means future tense also. Lang lakara. Lang lakara means past tense also. Ling lakara means the vidiling, potential mode. Bhuta krudante. Bhuta krudanta means tavatu anta. Evamcha, in this manner, vibhajya prayoge lakarasya apeksha. There is no, what you call, consideration of the tense in the splitting. Everything follows the same. That is the idea here. We have something to read, Srinivas. After gap of several exercises, we are going to read a story about Shakuntala as per the story given in the Nataka of Kalidasa. Abhignana Shakuntalam, the world famous Nataka is there. No? From that, some episode is, some storyline is here. You can read.
Shakuntala Apsarasaha Menakayaha Putri Asit Tasyaha Pituhu Nama Vishwamitraha Asit Kanvascha Tasyaha Palayita Pita Asit Sa Palayituhu Pituhu Kanva Munehe Ashrame Vasati Sma.
Okay, 3 sentences. Shakuntala Apsarasaha Menakayaha. Shashti Prayoga has to be underlined here, Srinivas. We are doing Shashti Vibhakti. Remember, Shakuntala, girl by name Shakuntala, lady by name Shakuntala. Apsarasaha. Apsara Shabda we have come across. So this is Shashti. Apsarasaha Menakayaha Putri Asit. Shakuntala Asit. Shakuntala was. The first word and the last verb you take. Shakuntala was Putri, the daughter of Menaka, who was an Apsara. Of Apsara Menaka, or if you take of the angel Menaka. Shakuntala was the daughter of Apsara Menaka. Apsarasaha is Shashti Ekavachana. Menaka is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. So Menaka Yaha. Of Menaka. Putri Asit. That is a fine sentence. Tasyaha Pituhu. Now this Tasyaha is a pronoun. Tad, Dakaranta, Tad we have studied. Sa. How does it begin? Sa, te, taha. So only singulars if you recall. Sa, tam. Sa means she. Tam about her. Taya by her. Tasyai for her. Tasyaha from her. Tasyaha of her. Or simply her, H-E-R. So Tasyaha here means Tasyaha Shakuntalayaha. If you take the noun Shakuntala, then you derive Shakuntala in Shashti Ekavachana, matching with this pronoun. Tasyaha Shakuntalayaha implied. Pituhu, again Shashti. Tasyaha Shakuntalayaha Pituhu. Tasyaha means her, Pituhu father's Nama, name. Vishwamitraha Asit. Her father's name was Vishwamitra. Asit is past tense of Asti. Asti Asit. Kanvascha, Kanvaha cha. Simple sandhi there. Kanvaha cha. Tasyaha. Tasyaha means her again. We did not say of her here. Tasyaha Shakuntalayaha Palayita Pita Asit. Palayita Pita means foster father. As we say in English, foster father. Palayita Pita. Pita is father. Palayita, foster father. Penchukuna Tandri. Foster father. So who was the foster father of her? Kanvaha, Kanva Maharshi. Kanvascha Tasyaha Shakuntalayaha Palayita Pita Asit. Sa here refers to Shakuntala. Palayituhu. Now again Sa is pronoun. You should not forget. Sa means she, that is referring to Shakuntala. Palayituhu Pituhu. Of the foster fathers. Kanva Munehe. Now these 3 words are in Shashti Ekavachana. Palayituhu Pituhu Kanva Munehe. Palayituhu, Palayitru Shabda is Rukaranta. Pitru Shabda is Rukaranta. So they both are derived in the same lines. Palayituhu, Pituhu both are derived in the same lines. Whereas Kanva Muni, Muni Shabda is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Therefore, it is derived like Kavi Shabda. Kanva Munehe in Shashti. Palayituhu Pituhu Kanva Munehe Asrame Vasati Sma. Who lived in the ashram of this Sa? Sa means Shakuntala. Sa, she, Vasati Sma, lived ashrame, in the ashrama of Kanva Muni, who was her foster father. She lived in her foster father's ashram. That's the meaning.
Kanvasya tasyam atyadhikah snehah asit. Putriyaha shakuntalayaha palane saha sarvada dattavadhanah asit. Kalena shakuntala yuvatihi jata. Tasyaha vivahasya krute pituhu kanvasya mahati chinta abhavat.
So this paragraph comes to end here. Kanvasya tasyam atyadhikah snehah asit. Kanva, the foster father, had a lot of love for this girl. Kanvasya, here Kanvasya means of. But here is the change here. Shashti is used in two senses. Like there is no word in Sanskrit to say Kanva has, I have, you have. We put in Shashti. And sometimes I told you in the beginning we take the help of the word Mama Samipe, Bhavatah Samipe, Ramasya Samipe, Dhanurvidya Asti. Or Rameshasya Samipe Dhanamasti. Mama Samipe Nasti. I have no money, he has money. So we use Shashti to indicate this position. So something like that here. Kanvasya Asit, Snehah Asit means Kanva had Atyadikaha. What is that? Atyadikaha, lot of Sneha, love. Kanva had a lot of love, Tasyam, for her. Now Tasyam literally is Srinivas, in Sanskrit is Saptami Ekavachana. But when we indicate love, affection, we put Saptami Vibhakti. If you translate literally, Kanva had a lot of love on her. But English doesn't accept this sentence correctly. Kanva had a lot of love on her is wrong in English. In her also is wrong. So we say Kanva Maharshi had a lot of love for her. Although the word Tasyam, please mind it, is Saptami Ekavachana of the Tad pronoun. Sa is Prathama Ekavachana, Tasyam is Saptami Bahuvachana. So is the meaning clear there?
Yes.
Kanva had lot of love for her. Putriyaha Shakuntalayaha Palane, in the nourishment of daughter Shakuntala, daughter Shakuntala. Putriyaha, this is also Putri Shabda, Shashti Ekavachana. Putriyaha Shakuntalayaha. Now what is happening here? Shakuntala is proper name, her name. But she is a daughter. So another noun is coming. So noun, adjectives all will be put in the same vibhakti, Srinivas. Putriyaha Shakuntalayaha Palane, in the upbringing or in the care of Shakuntala, daughter Shakuntala, Saha, that is Kanva Maharshi, Saha he, Sarvada, always, Dattavadhanaha Asit, he was very keen-minded. Dattavadhana means he was highly keen-minded in the upbringing of his daughter Shakuntala. Putriyaha Shakuntalayaha Palane Saha Kanvaha Sarvada, always Dattavadhanaha Asis. Avadhanam Dattam Enasa. So one who gave lot of attention. Dattavadhanaha Asit means he was very careful, attentive in bringing his daughter. Kalena, in course of time, Shakuntala Yuvatihi Jata. Kalena means in course of time, as you can understand, Shakuntala, that girl Shakuntala, Yuvatihi Jata, became a young woman. Yuvati Shabda is Strilinga, therefore the verb that is used also is Strilinga, Jata. Shakuntala Yuvatihi Jata. Shakuntala became the young woman. Tasyaha Vivahasya Krute. Now, Vivahasya is Shashti. Tasyaha Shashti pronoun. Tasyaha Vivahasya Krute. Whenever Krute comes, we have to have Shashti only. Tasyaha Vivahasya Krute. For the sake of her marriage, Pituhu Kanvasya Mahati Chinta Abhavat. The father Kanva had a lot of worry. Father Kanva had a lot of worry for the sake of marriage of her. Pituhu Kanvasya. Now here also position. Pituhu Kanvasya Chinta Abhavat. Kanva had a lot of worry about Mahati. Mahati Chinta means great worry about Shakuntala's marriage. That is the meaning. Is the time okay? Over. Can't proceed, na? Shubham Bhuyat. We will take next.